Hey, I'm going to show you how to install our new 2024 Raptor Ranger skid plate. It'll also fit the regular Ranger as well. First, we're going to remove the factory skid plates. So we'll start installing ours. Basically, we're going to put in a spacer plate. It just lays up right along here. So we'll just get that guy in, slowly thread it, and we'll just grab the other bolt. Cool, we'll just line that guy up, thread that in, get this nice and tight. It's all flush. I'm going to start with the transmission skid, which will help protect transmission, cross pipe, and these lower kind of cross braces, which look like they've already been hit. Basically, there's just one clip nut we need to install. The rest are kind of threaded holes that come from the factory. So we just got this little guy. We'll just put that in, and you can just kind of push it in. And then if you want, good strategy that my coworker found is you hold a little hammer and screwdriver and just tap it like that. Good to go. We have two threaded holes over here, that clip nut we put in, and then there's one more over here on the passenger side. This passenger side is an M12, and then the rest of these will be M10 bolts.
Helps to have two people for this part.
Scoot it back and line it up. Get that guy started. And then basically we'll wait on these two just to install the transfer case skid plate. So we can just kind of do all the other ones. Just get it secured so it's hanging. We're actually going to leave these three loose so you can install the transfer case. If your truck didn't come with a transfer case skid, you'll just install these two clip nuts that we will provide. Cool. Got that one started. Now we'll just do one out on the frame. And these will be M10 bolts as well. So then we have our kind of under engine skid plate where it's got an oil drain removable cover. And we'll just kind of push this up, put it underneath the front one, or the transmission, slide it in, and then we'll just get it up with a bolt. Cool, and we'll leave these all slightly loose until we get everything installed and just make sure we have clearance on everything. All right, and the last one is the front intercooler skid plate. So here's the intercooler skid plate. So we'll just push that up, get it underneath, put in those slots, and then basically the last thing to do is just tighten these front bolts that go into these kind of tow hook mounts. Got everything installed, everything's loose. Before we tighten it up, we'll just make sure there's a little bit of clearance between this lower control arm mount and our transmission skid on both sides. All of these M10s will be a 17mm socket, and then that one M12 will be a 19mm. Cool, so we got it all tightened up, and you're ready to go. You can find this on our website, Juggernaut USA.